Hello, I am Dr. Rabi, and I'm one of the doctors, and this is Sam, our team leader.
Hello.
In this hospital, and this is Nicola, who is a trainer and fit tester for qualified masks. And I got a few masks here. She's going to explain what they are of any use. How about this, Nicola? What are these?
So these masks are just normal surgical masks which surgeons use in theatre. They don't protect them from TB or corona. Just protect them from splashes of blood.
Is this what they normally use in the theatres?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll use the circulators normally and for small cases. So not for open major surgery. These are for small cases, and the circulators around the outside will use them. There's one type that's just plain on both sides, and there's another type which has a slight band which will press against the nose. But they both do the same thing.
I'm going to pinch.
Yeah?
I'm going to stay there.
Yeah.
So will it give protection against corona?
No, it
No.
won't.
What's the percentage you would say?
I'll say 0%.
0%. So no good. These masks are no good.
No
Let's put
good.
them away. This one has got a visor. Mask with a visor. So what about this?
So this we use in theatre for surgeons for surgery. Obviously, you've got the mask to protect you from the droplets of blood, and then you've got the visor to stop the
Protect
spread.
your eyes.
Let me try that.
Protect your eyes.
It's
Yeah.
just for the splashes. It's not going to stop the virus going through.
No.
So what did you say the percentage of protection against corona?
Still 0.
Up to 0%.
Yeah.
So no good.
No good for.
So what's the
corona.
answer then with regards to the mask?
So we have FFP3 masks. There are different make of them, but these are good for coronavirus. But these masks have to be fitted before they can protect you as well.
So not anybody
Yes, so
can.
it's not everybody, and men who have beard, masks don't fit them at all.
So you can't just buy it over the shelf and wear it. It's not
No.
going to give protection.
No.
So let me wear it. See, Sam, if I'm doing it the right way.
Yeah. So that's it.
Okay. That's a pretty good seal.
Yeah. So the aim is for one elastic band to be below the ear,
Yeah.
and one elastic band to be above the ear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you create a seal, a suction seal, around your nose and
Yeah.
under the chin.
Okay.
So,
So,
you have to have this right under your chin, yeah?
Okay. Right. So I can't smell or do anything with this. So that's 100% protection against corona.
I'll say 99%.
99%. Okay.
There's nothing
So 99% effective
Yeah.
against corona if it's fitted
Fitted,
properly by a trained fit tester
Tester.
who will
Correct.
spray a bittersweet smell towards the mask, and if you can absorb anything, it's not protected.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long does it last? Can I use it tomorrow if I wear it today?
No.
Then?
So if you do an infected case,
Yeah.
it's for you to throw in the bin after.
So
it only lasts for 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. How about these ones? People are wearing them on the streets, these masks. They're wearing them every day.
They just wear it to feel safe for themselves, but it don't protect them really.
Okay, so
Because if
basically
somebody's coughing,
you're going to bring the
Yeah.
virus back home.
it's not protected.
So basically if you're wearing this in the streets and somebody is coughing,
Yeah.
you have deposits of virus or dirt in the front, and you come back home, you bought a filter full of organisms home which would have been on the street. So those masks are no good. Okay, Sam, you have anything to add?
No.
Okay. Do people need to wear masks?
I don't think so.
Infected.
As I said, only if you're fitted, you can
That's
wear
okay.
those masks.
These masks,
So,
Sam?
the safest thing for them to do is stay home, really, and stay away from crowded place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the safest thing.
If somebody is symptomatic, they can wear it. If somebody has a cough and cold, they can wear these masks to prevent spilling of the dirt and organisms into the air.
It may be just a normal cold, but not an
Yeah.
infected,
No.
not something infected.
Okay.
So if you have TB or if corona, these masks won't protect you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're useless.
So that's the answer.
Yeah.
3M FFP3 mask.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sam.
Welcome.
Thank you.